A high-end watch costing over 6,000. Guess how much it costs to switch to an Apple? Today, he is repairing a high-end Apple Watch. The watch's issue is quite simple. Using a heat gun carefully to soften the waterproof adhesive while removing the screen. If the screen gets damaged, he'll have to eat instant noodles for days. The screen opens. It truly is a watch worth over 6,000. The internals are unlike any other watch. Even the battery is secured with screws. Though the after-sales service can fix it, the screen costing over 3,000 is hard to justify replacing. Removing the screws to take out the damaged screen. Such faults are easy to repair. He takes out a new screen, reinstalling it back into the watch. The repair is complete. He reapplies the sealing adhesive to the watch, restoring the watch's water resistance. Now, this high-end Apple Watch has been repaired, solving a problem that took days to fix. He got it done for you in no time.